G'day everybody, it is Matt here from Stiller's Life, and today I want to take you through the process of staking CRO in the Crypto.com app to get yourself your metal CRO Visa card. So the process is fairly straightforward, and you have to do this to complete your sign up process and get your sign up bonus. That's your sign up USD that you get for opening an account using my referral code. So if you have not already signed up, head to the link down in the description to sign up using my referral code so that you're eligible to get the 25 USD bonus that comes with signing up and completing this staking process. Once you're ready to go and you've created your account using my link in the description, open up the Crypto.com app. If you scroll down, it'll prompt you to complete your card application right at the bottom. And so you can simply just click the continue button. If this doesn't show up here, you can click right down in that bottom corner. You can click card, and that'll bring you over to show you your card details, and in this case, what you are actually applying for. So to get the most basic card, that's the Ruby Steel. That is what it'll be by default. If you want to change it, you can click view or change up the top there, and that'll show you the other card options. So scrolling along the top, there are 4 options in total. The higher end cards give you a number of additional bonuses. So just with Ruby Steel, you get 2% cash back plus 100% back on Spotify. Now, that cash back is paid in CRO. If you want anything more than that, you need to upgrade to one of the other cards. Now, if you don't have the CRO stake, you only get 1% cash back. So the CRO stake is really important to get all of the bonuses here. If you wanted to go up to the Jade/Green Royal Indigo card, you would then get 3% cash back, plus in addition to Spotify, you could get Netflix completely 100% cash back as well, plus 10% rewards for staking CRO, that's pretty cool, plus airport lounge access. So the higher cards have some pretty awesome rewards. Going up to the Icy White/Rose Gold, we're getting Expedia bonus cashback, guests at airport lounges, higher rewards, Amazon Prime membership. It's pretty awesome, but obviously there is a higher cost associated with that. You have to do a stake of 250,000 CRO. I'm going to stick with Ruby Steel. That requires a stake of 2,500 CRO. Now it has to be deposited and held in this stake for 6 months to get the card. That's really important. So be prepared for your funds to sit there for that long. If you do choose to change your card, it'll show you down the bottom that blue button to change to the card type. I'm just going to leave it as Ruby Steel. So we can click the arrow up the top to jump back to our page here. Click that continue button down the bottom, and it'll take me over to show me what I'm actually doing. So I need to purchase and hold that much for 180 days. Basically, just hit that blue button, purchase and hold CRO for 180 days. It'll then ask you where you want to do it from. So it's telling me that is about 200 Australian dollars at the moment. I can add it via a credit or debit card, but I will note Australian credit and debit cards rarely work on this Crypto.com app. It's really annoying. They say Visa cards should work, but I haven't found a single one that does. So give it a try if you want to do it that way. Otherwise, deposit funds using the bank transfer method, and that works perfectly fine. You can also transfer in other cryptocurrencies using your wallet details. Regardless though, you can pay it from here. If you can use the other methods, external CRO wallet, to send funds from an external CRO source. You just send this wallet address, or you can use right down the bottom there your current Crypto.com wallet. Now I've got 2,500 CRO here already, so I'm just going to go ahead and use that. So we'll press the stake 2,500 CRO for 180 days button, which is down the bottom. It'll then ask us to confirm, so it's showing us our total there, any fees that are associated with it. In this case, there's none, because I already have the CRO in my wallet, and we can then go ahead and confirm that. It'll ask us to enter our passcode to make sure, and we are then good to go, and it will show us that confirmation screen in just a moment. So it says here it'll be held for 180 days. Now you may need to verify your address as well. For me, I need to fill in my address and scan proof. So we'll click that blue Get Started button down the bottom. We need to accept the terms and conditions and also tick to warrant that we are the sole beneficial owner of our Crypto.com account and the Visa card, so we'll tick that, and then the blue button to confirm. Now, you'll put in your address details here, then click Next, and you'll need to scan one of the documents that it suggests on the screen to verify your address. That's either a utility bill, bank statement, or government correspondence. Tap the blue Scan Document button to proceed, and it will take you straight to the camera. Once you do this, that'll complete the process of applying for the Visa card. You don't have to do the full proof of address straight away. You can come back to it later on. But you need to get that staking done at the very least straight away, because you have to stake the funds for 180 days first before you can get the Visa card. Make sure that you do complete the address verification before the end of that 180 days so that you don't delay actually receiving your card. So I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to like it, and also, again, if you don't already have a Crypto.com account, make sure you sign up for both the app and the exchange using my referral codes, which are down in the description, and get your 75 USD total bonus across both platforms. 25 USD on the app and 50 USD on the exchange. That's it for me for today. I will see you next time. Have an awesome one.